everyone wants to make money in stock market. Are you one of them? Or you are finding hard and very difficult to be a profitable in stock market and especially in investing? So if you face same kind of problem, make sure you watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Patel and I am founder of Just Money Care. We provide training into technical analysis and behavioral finance. I have been into the market since last 9 to 10 years. And I comes live on so many channels like CNBC, Bajaj, ABP, Asmita and some other regional channels. So if you find same problem in stock trading, maybe in cash segment or derivative segment, don't worry, we are coming up with a good solution. We are coming up with 2-day full day workshop on technical analysis in the Bangalore City, and the dates will be 31st August and 1st September. Make sure this is a Saturday and Sunday weekend, so you can and you may attend this session. So I would like to give more details about this 2-day workshop. What we are going to cover in these 2 days. So let's see. If you are a fresher and you don't know about single thing for technical analysis, so don't worry. We will start with the basics. All the basics we cover for the technical analysis, then move forward to the advanced level. So if you are into technical analysis and you know some concept or maybe this theory, that theory, don't worry, we'll cover from basics to advanced level. So everybody and anybody can do and able to trade. We are also going to cover trading systems. What is trading system? Trading system is all about the fixed rule of buy and sell. Okay, so we are going to teach you total 3 systems. So system 1 will be covered intraday trading. If you want to do trading in cash segment or maybe in a derivative segment, it will help you. There are fixed rules for buy and sell. And this is not like many people are thinking intraday trading is making a position in around 9:30, 9:15 and waiting for whole day till the 3:30 p.m. So it is not like that. If you are making a trade, doing a trade around 9:30, so make sure around 10:30, 10:15, in 45, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, your trade will be over. This is the way to trade in intraday trading. So we'll cover in this system 1. Then move forward to system 2. System 2 is all about wealth making. If you want to construct a portfolio, a big portfolio, then first problem is which stock, how to select a stock. So don't worry, we have a solution. We have a fixed rule for selecting stock, entry level, exit level, how much quantity to buy, and when to exit in profit or maybe in a loss. And one more thing added in this system: if your trade going in your direction, means you are buying and your stock moving up. So how do you scale up your position? It is called pyramiding. So there is a certain rules for pyramiding. We are going to cover in system 2. And move forward to system 3. System 3 is all about short-term trading, whether it's in a cash segment or maybe in a derivative segment. If you would like to trade for the short-term period like 3 days to 5 days, 10 days, this system will cover the short-term trading, this kind of trading. You can do in cash as well as in derivative segment. So these are the systems we are going to cover in this 2-day workshop. And we have some bonus, or maybe we are going to cover options trading. So many people are fascinated about weekly option trading. Many retail traders I have seen starting with career in retail trading in option trading, and they don't have any knowledge. So we fix up this solution, and we are going to teach you weekly options trading, especially Nifty and Bank Nifty. And last but not the least, risk management. If you want to be surviving longer in stock market, you need to manage your risk, whether it's a system 1, system 2, or maybe system 3 or option trading. If you can't manage your risk, market will throw out you very soon. So don't worry, we are going to cover this topic in depth, and we'll teach you how to manage risk in all kind of trading. So these are the details for 2-day full day workshop. Fix the date for 31st August and 1st September. If you would like to know about this workshop in more detail, you can get in touch with me anytime. I will put the details for contact in description box. That's all for the day. Thank you so much.